Welcome to the GearBox Precision Call on this wonderful Friday. I know you could be anywhere else, but you're here with us, so thank you so much for tuning in. Go ahead and let me know in the chat box where you're calling in from. So awesome to have you all here today. Thank you again for tuning in. I know we have customers calling in from all around the world, 75 countries. It could be morning for you, night, evening, and you are here with us. So again, thank you very much. Before we get started, I'm going to go ahead and read you this risk disclosure, and we're going to get right into it. There's a substantial risk of loss associated with trading Forex, binary option stocks, or equities, collectively asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset class is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset class, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset class should only do so if capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without a risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors should risk losing only the cost. Investor risk is losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in the light of your investment experience and your financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria chat room constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell. With that being said, let's get right into it. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen, and we're gonna look through all the results from the different pairs this week and see kind of what was going on. I know some people had a good week. I know it was definitely a slower week still, though, for many pairs. So we're going to get right into it. We can see Great British Pound, New Zealand Dollar. We did not have any trades open this week. We have no floating weekly goals, no open trades. We haven't made any money on GBP NZD. GBP AUD as well. We did not have any open trades happen this week. GBP CAD. We got kind of close. We're on a buy 5 right now. Thing fell a little more. We could actually maybe get an entry, but we did not secure an entry. GBP JPY, as you can see as well, we did not secure any entry or make any profit this week with that currency pair. GBP USD as well. There is no profit on the week. Getting into AUD CAD as well, we see that we did not have any open trades that happened on AUD CAD this week. Euro NZD did not open any trades for me this week on this account. NZD JPY, we did not have any open trades. Check the box. Okay, we're good. No open trades here on NZD JPY. NZD CHF, you can see we did get some trades. We're in open trades right now. These are trades that we've been in for a little, as you can see, that are continuing to play out. Euro GBP, we did not get any trades on. USD CAD, you can see we have floating profit. We did a little less than 1% this week on this account. That's awesome. We got into some trades on USD CAD. I know I saw many customers get some USD CAD trades this week. Congratulations for those of you that made some profit with USD CAD. NZD USD, I'm not seeing any new profit. Euro CHF, we're not seeing any profit here. Euro CAD, we are currently in open trades in drawdown right now, waiting on these trades to play out. These are new trades that executed this week. We are currently in some buys on Euro CAD, waiting for a swing back. No trades on Euro USD this week for me. Euro AUD, I have no open trades. Euro JPY, I have no open trades. USD CHF, we did manage to secure 2.62% profit. AUD USD, we did not secure any profit. CAD CHF, we did not take any trades this week. CHF JPY, we did secure 2% profit this week and in an open trade right now, playing it back down. So we probably played up some buys, made some money. Now we're playing back down to sell. CAD JPY, we did not secure any trades this week. AUD we did not secure this VPS, I think, froze. There we go. Now it's working. All right. USD JPY, we did not take any trades. AUD JPY, we did not take any trades. AUD NZD, we are still in drawdown. It is coming back up. Been in these trades, but we are holding out. You can see our break-even points about here, our take profits about here. So a little ways to go on that trade. AUD CHF, we had nothing happen. Already looked at that BPS. Think we're back to the beginning here. Yes. And NZD CAD, we secured 3% on the week and currently playing another position back. Absolutely incredible. Great week on NZD CAD. And GBP CH, we did not take a trade. So that's how our results have been this week with GearBox on the different currency pairs. If you're analyzing the different data, a lot of success on some of the pairs. This is why we scan so many pairs always, so that you can make sure that you're actually seeing results from all the different pairs. It seems some of these MyFX books haven't fully updated for the week or today, as there are many pairs that I listed that have made profit, such as NZD CHF. 12 hours ago was our last update. Okay, so going into that one pair data, you can see again how these pairs are performing and see exactly what is going on every single moment with these different currency pairs. GearBox just hits it out of the park. It's just one of the best, expert advisors I've seen and used in my time, and continuing to just watch it do what it does best, which is get into these trades, make profit, and get out with very minimal low lot exposure or potential risk. And that's the big thing to look at, is having the least amount of risk and having the right risk management strategies, which we have to have here with GearBox. Now let's get right into Forex Factory. So looking at the week ahead, you can see that there is German federal elections on Sunday. This is a big one. Definitely going to have a shift in the market. But going through the rest of the week, Monday, you can see we have one Great British Pound red folder event. And then going into Tuesday, we have nothing going on. Wednesday, we have another red folder event. We also have USD Fed Chair Powell speaks. Thursday is wide and clear. Friday, we have GDP for Canadian dollar and core PCE price index for USD, as well as ISM manufacturing PMI. So a few red folders, nothing too crazy. It seems like a decently calm week. I expect the red folders to have a little bit of volatility, which will hopefully lead to a precision mode entry within our gearbox strategy. But with that being said, I'm going to open it back up to questions. I see Al said in the chat, best week ever. I know a lot of people had a great week here, even though it seemed like a slower week. A lot of people had an incredible week. I saw a ton of comments and results from tons of people, within our Auvoria Prime community. So I'm very excited about the results Gearbox is getting, the results everyone else is getting with Gearbox, and the profit that's being made. We continue to hit it out of the park, and if you're a customer, a new customer, an old customer, just know we're only going to get better, better, better every single time, and continue to optimize the software to the best of its ability. And just know that we're here for the long haul, and we've continued to prove that time and time again. We can handle the volatility, we can handle the trends. But with that being said, I appreciate every single one of you tuning in. Let's go have another phenomenal week ahead. Go crush it out of the park, and hopefully have a great trading week where we all have some nice weekly floating percents. But with that being said, thank you again for being a part of our Gearbox community, tuning into these calls live, and especially using the product. That's the most important thing after all. But with that being said, have a wonderful day, everyone, and thank you again for being here with us.